Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the tank is upright and the valve is closed. Attach the regulator firmly. Open the hood so vapors escape and inspect the griddle top for excess grease. Turn the tank slowly 1/4 turn, then slightly open the regulator. You want pressure to stabilize. Once pressurized, set the front burner to low and press the ignition. If it doesn't light, try a match at the burner port. Make sure to listen for a steady hiss. This tells you gas flow is correct. Once the primary burner is lit, light the remaining burners sequentially so heat spreads evenly across the plate. This prevents metal stress and warping. Set temperatures low to medium at first, then increase after 5 to 8 minutes. If flames show yellow, adjust the air shutter or regulator slightly. Yellow means incomplete combustion and soot. Make sure to monitor flame height and color. A steady blue flame with small tongues is ideal. While warming, apply a thin coat of high smoke oil. You finish by bringing the griddle to your target cooking temperature, then scrape the surface to remove any remaining residue while hot. This locks in a clean seasoning layer. If a burner won't light, shut off the tank, wait 5 minutes, then inspect the hose and regulator for kinks or leaks. Try another tank to determine if the supply is the issue. Finally, when done cooking, close the tank valve first, burn off any drips for 2 to 4 minutes. Then cool and apply a light oil coat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.